Question, why are you spitting on someone? Nobody likes to be spit upon. No, here's the thing.
I don't remember.
The problem is that it appears to me that you have issues with your sobriety.
I don't remember what happened to me that night.
2024 CR 012506, State of Texas versus Vanessa Portales. Can I have parties announce?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Ted Wood representing Ms. Portales.
And are you Ms. Portales?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Counsel, have you received all discovery?
I have, Judge.
Did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Portales, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Any objection?
None, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with harassment of a public servant. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargaining agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
I didn't understand.
The rights that I've explained to you, do you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you intending to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you sure? She's sure she wants to enter into this plea bargain agreement, counsel?
Judge, I think she may be concerned about the waiver of the constitutional rights that you articulated, but I explained to her that those rights are waived for this proceeding and this proceeding only.
Hmm.
So she's not given up her rights for the rest of her life or forever and ever. It's for this proceeding and this proceeding only.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Portales, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
You
I'm
have to
sorry.
say yes.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. There's no application for deferred adjudication, and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge. Probation was recommended, I believe, or community supervision for 3 years.
Well, that's a recommendation, but we're just going over what the plea bargain agreement is, which
Very
you
well.
all have agreed to.
Very
You
well.
understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And defense, was that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
State?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, community service hours, and also no contact with a resident on Nogalitos Street, San Antonio, Texas, 78225. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
The offer states what in the top.
No objections, Judge.
And state, have you spoken with the complainant?
No, Judge.
Okay, all right, thank you. You may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand that you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same, and the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
I don't think there was a PSI requested, Judge.
No. So do you wish to proceed?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, Ms. Portales and I reviewed the situation, and she believes that it's in her best interest, and I agree with her that jury trial is not in her best interest. And the judge, we're just asking that you go along with the 3-year recommendation and give her a chance to rebuild her life.
All right. What do you do for a living?
I'm a Valley Living. I do work for the community apartment complexes.
Okay. And I'm sorry, what do you do?
For Valley Living, I pick up like their trash and stuff and put it in the compactor.
Okay.
I work a part-time job due to that because I do my GED. Right now I'm in GED classes.
Mhm.
I'm studying for a truck driver, so I do work my part-time because of that. Put in my hours of school to make time for that as well.
Okay. And do you have any children?
My children are 23 and over, so
Do you have grandchildren?
no, not yet.
And when you say not yet, is there one on the way?
My daughter mentioned she just lost her baby. So
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. All right. So now the big question, why are you spitting on someone? Nobody likes to be spit upon.
I know. To be honest with you, Your Honor, I don't know if I'm able to talk about this to you, but I'm going to tell you, I don't remember what happened to me that night. I do remember when I was sober, one of my old growing up friends that lived down my street, they asked me to take him to the bar. And me being nice, and I haven't seen him for over 50
So
years.
did you,
I ended up taking them to the bar and dropping them off at the bar. And they're like, hey, you want to come in so you can.
and did
go
you
in
drink as
there.
well?
And I went in there because I love pool. I've always liked to play pool as a child.
Mhm.
So I went in there, and one of the girls that I took that we grew up from our childhood, she offered me a drink from the bartender. But they're like, when I got that drink, I hesitated to get it, but the drink, I believe that it had something in it. After that,
No, here's the thing.
I don't remember.
The problem is that it appears to me that you have issues with your sobriety and you should not have been drinking at all anyway. Let me tell you something, what I know. What I know is that if you are being clean and sober, there may be certain places that you should not go. But if you decide to go, like if a friend, and I use that term loosely, because if it was a friend, they would never have said, hey, let's go to a bar to begin with. But let's say you go to a bar. A friend should not be buying you drinks. And if they are your friend, then they know what your issues are. They know if you're trying to maintain your sobriety, because then we end up here. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So that person should probably be removed from your friends list. And they always tell you, you need to change people, places, and things. So sometimes mainly it's the people. You understand?
And you know what, Judge, I was telling my lawyer that from my childhood, we grew up in the same neighborhood. So I ran into her, seeing her, and when she asked me for the ride, I did all that, and I took them. I hadn't seen this person for over 15 years. Now
you
that
know
we're
what?
adults.
Sometimes people are best left in the past.
Or
Because when you break up with somebody, there's a reason you broke up with them. When you haven't seen a friend in a while, there's a reason why you haven't seen them in a while. So this is what the court is going to do. The court is finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. There's regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to order 90 sober meetings in 90 days. TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow TAP recommendations. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. 200 hours of community service restitution. If you obtain your GED or trade school certification, the community services will be deemed satisfied. So it's up to you whether or not you want to end up picking up trash in the heat of the summer in San Antonio. Probably going to be about 100 and something.
Warmish.
Yeah. So that's up to you.
Thank you, Judge.
There is to be no contact with 2432 Nogalitos. And that's 78225. Probation, is there anything else? All right, I'm not going to order the fine.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate that.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
And do you need anything else from the court?
May I have a work note,
What, for being here today? What do you mean a work note?
like just so I can have for my records?
I don't understand what you mean by work note.
Like, I wanted to ask if I can have a letter for when I go back to work that they know that I came here.
Oh, no, I don't do that. That's something you have to get from your attorney.
Okay.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Make sure you stay in contact with your probation officer, because in this court, to be successful, communication is key. If there's an issue, let your probation officer know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you. 2024 CR 0443 State versus Marcelo Flores Jr. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Beer, have the state.
Nimpagaos Carrillo for Mr. Flores.
And are you Mr. Flores? All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Marcelo Flores Jr. who's placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 0443 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 200 grams on May 21st, 2024 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violated condition number 41 on or about the 18th day of February 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Marcelo Flores Jr., the then and there failed to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court by failing to attend treatment as scheduled in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that?
This is true.
All right.
I will waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objection to the state's waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 6 years in prison and up to there is no fine, but sentence you up to 6 years in the prison.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 41?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is going to find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, there's not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Notification, Your Honor.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we request to continue Mr. Flores on probation. If you looked at his the recommendation by He's going to.
All right, any objection?
Yeah. And he was doing very well, very well. He had two, in February, he had two, one by admission and the other, I think, by urine, for, drug test, a dirty UA. The reason we're here is because he didn't finish his drug court.
All right.
All right, and so, he was told that he's just gonna get a 30-day sanction for it, and 30 days are up, and that's why he thinks he's scared. But, okay, so we know that, so we're gonna leave it up to you, Your Honor. He wants to be continued on probation. He wants to have another chance at drug court. And like I say, he was doing so well, and I don't know, something must have happened, and so he given another opportunity to do drug court and proceed with his probation.
All right. You okay, Cindy? Do you need a break?
I have my medicine in there that's probably coughing. Let me just grab it.
Yeah, no. Oh,
Get that
yeah.
tickle in your throat.
Oh, and it doesn't go away, right?
Does not go away.
Uh, Yaya. All right, so I'm going to take up Portales and Courtney Sloan. Then after that, we're going on recess.
Okay.
Unless you have anything else, that's right. All right, we're back on the record.
Oh, and the
Yes.
alternative, Your Honor. The probation did recommend, lifetime recovery followed by ISF. And so, but also all he wants, Your Honor, to consider, give him another opportunity for, drug court and continue him on probation.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Marcelo Flores Jr.
All right, so you were sent to felony drug court. Why didn't you successfully complete it?
Can you repeat?
You were sent to felony drug court. People who go there are sent there because they have drug issues and they have issues maintaining their sobriety. Why didn't you successfully complete felony drug court?
I use.
All right. And then what is this about your phone and what was in your phone?
About the pictures.
Mm-hmm. You know, a lot of times people don't realize that in felony drug court, they do deep dives. You know, sometimes in these courts, we don't have a chance to do a deep dive, like looking in your cell phone, seeing what's going on, but they do. So it appears that maybe you were moving through a phase, but you were not internalizing. So, I mean, you're staring at me. Why did you have this in your phone?
A picture of somebody.
No, I mean, it's more than pictures. I don't think you want to discuss what you had in your phone because I'm not trying to have people potentially raid your home or anything. But why did you have things in your phone that you were not supposed to have in your phone? Hypothetically, If I had a drug problem and I were in felony drug court, guess what? All the drug paraphernalia that maybe I had, I should get rid of it because I'm supposed to be serious about my sobriety. If there are photos of me using drugs or somebody else using drugs, I would delete that because that's supposed to be my old life. You understand? So why would you have in your phone criminal activity?
Can I have a moment, Your Honor, with my client?
Sure.
Just one moment.
Oh, Jason. All right, this is what you can,
Thank you.
return that to probation. This is what the court is going to do. The court is finding violation of condition number 41 true. The court is going to grant the motion, give you credit for any time served. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison. And the court will recommend the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are in deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. Well, good luck to you when you are released. If you can't find a place where they can help you maintain your sobriety, if I'm still here, you can come back here and I will look for a place that will be beneficial to you. Okay. All right. Thank you.
A woman appears in court after allegedly spitting on a poor servant and tries to avoid responsibility with an excuse. The judge carefully examines the facts, rejects her explanation, and delivers a firm ruling. What she thought would save her case ends up making things even worse, leading to an unexpected courtroom outcome.